Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Teams add-in missing in Outlook. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information, and without further ado, let's get on it. So the first part of the video is all about the troubleshooting or the automated steps. So download and run this Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant. And I'm going to put the link in the description down below. So you just check the link in there so to perform the automated troubleshooting steps and fixes. So for information on how to download and install the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant, go to the About the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant. And I'm also going to put the link of this one in the description down below. So again, just check the links in under the description. So the next part of this video are the troubleshooting steps. So these are the manual steps that you can do. So if the first options or the automated steps doesn't work, here are two steps or other steps to try. So if the first one doesn't work, try the second one. So first, what you need to do is to sign out of Teams and restart it. So in the search box on the taskbar, simply type Teams and then select it from the results. And after that, close Outlook and then restart it. So in the search box on the taskbar, type Outlook and then select it from the results. And then if you still don't see the add-in, make sure that it isn't disabled in Outlook. So to do this, in Outlook, go to the File tab and then simply select Options. So in the Outlook Options dialog box, simply select Add-ins. Confirm that the Microsoft Teams meeting add-in for Microsoft Office is listed in the active application add-ins list. So if the Teams meeting add-in list is listed in the disabled application add-ins list, manage or under manage, select COM add-ins and then select go. So select the Microsoft Teams meeting add-in for Microsoft Office checkbox and then choose OK on dialog boxes and click close Outlook. So just restart the Outlook. So in the search box of the taskbar, type Outlook and then select it from the results. So that's it for this video. Those are some troubleshooting steps that you need to do if your add-ins in Outlook isn't appearing or you cannot see it. So I hope this video helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.